In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer site to another account in Webflow. If you're moving a project to a colleague, a client, or into a team workspace, this walkthrough will make the process smooth and predictable. Start by signing in to your Webflow dashboard. Once you're in, locate the project you want to move. If you have a lot of sites, use the search bar or filter by workspace to find it quickly. When you see the project thumbnail, hover over it and open its settings. You can do this by clicking the three dots on the thumbnail and choosing Settings, or by clicking the small gear icon once you're inside the project dashboard. Both paths take you to the same place. Inside the project settings, look for the transfer option. It's represented by an icon that looks like a person with an arrow, and you'll typically see it near the top or within the General tab. Click that to start the transfer. This is where you decide who will receive the project. If you're sending the site to an individual, enter the email address associated with that person's existing Webflow account. Make sure it's the exact email they used to sign in, because transfers only work between active accounts. If you're moving the project into a team environment, choose a workspace from the dropdown. You'll only see workspaces you have permission to access, so confirm you're in the right one before proceeding. Before you finalize, take a moment to double check that you're transferring the correct project. This is a good time to confirm any naming conventions and ensure the recipient is ready to receive it. If the project has special integrations or custom code, consider letting the recipient know what's included so they can plug in their own credentials after they accept. Also note that Webflow may prompt you about hosting or plan limitations. That's normal. Some transfers require adjustments if the current plan or features aren't available in the destination account or workspace. When you're confident everything looks right, click Transfer Project to send the invitation. The recipient will get a notification and can accept the transfer on their side. Once accepted, the project appears in their dashboard or selected workspace, and they become the owner going forward. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the project settings, use the transfer option, choose the recipient or workspace, and confirm. With that, your site is on its way to the right account.